Hello, and welcome to another episode of English with Altaf. Today, we're going to talk about something many English learners experience feeling afraid or embarrassed to speak English in public.
Yes, this is a very common problem. We will talk about the reasons why people avoid speaking English in public, and most importantly, how to overcome this fear.
Let me start by saying, yes, I also avoided speaking English in public. I used to feel so nervous. My heart would beat fast. My hands would shake. And I always thought, what if I say something wrong? I felt everyone would laugh at me or judge me.
That's something many learners face. It's not just about knowing grammar or vocabulary, it's about confidence. Most people actually know enough English to speak, but they hold themselves back because of fear.
Exactly. I remember one time I was in a shop and I wanted to ask the shopkeeper something in English. I had the sentence in my mind, but I just couldn't say it. Instead, I switched to my native language. Later, I felt disappointed with myself.
Yes, that happens because our brain focuses too much on being perfect. We worry about grammar, pronunciation, and how others will react. But the truth is, most people are not judging us. In fact, many people admire us for trying.
That's true, Altaf. But I also think that people avoid speaking English in public because they don't get regular practice. If you only study English in books but never use it in real life, it feels very scary to speak suddenly.
Good point, Annie. Speaking is a skill. Just like driving a car or cooking, it improves with practice. If you want to feel confident speaking English in public, you have to speak English in public. There is no other way.
You know what helped me? I started speaking small sentences, like saying thank you or how are you to people around me. Slowly, I added more words. I also practiced in front of a mirror and spoke to myself in English at home.
That's a great tip. Mirror practice is simple but powerful. Another method is to join English speaking clubs or group discussions. You don't have to be perfect. Just be willing to make mistakes and learn from them.
And let's not forget, everyone makes mistakes. Even native English speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. The important thing is to keep going. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Absolutely. And if someone corrects you politely, take it as help, not criticism. People who want to grow must learn to accept feedback. That's how you improve.
I used to record my voice while speaking English. At first, I didn't like the way I sounded, but slowly I saw progress. My pronunciation improved, my sentences became clearer, and I felt less afraid.
That's a very useful technique. Recording yourself helps you hear your mistakes and track your growth. You can even try shadowing listening to short English videos and repeating exactly what you hear. This builds fluency and confidence.
Another reason people avoid speaking English in public is fear of being laughed at. I want to say, don't let that fear control you. Most people are too busy with their own lives. No one is watching or judging you as much as you think.
Yes, fear is just in the mind. If you stay silent, you miss opportunities. You miss chances to make friends, to learn more, and to grow. The only way out is through. Face your fear little by little.
Start small. Speak to a friend, a shopkeeper, or even your pet. Just speak. The more you speak, the less afraid you become.
Let me share a story. One of my students couldn't speak a word of English in front of others, but I asked him to say just one sentence every day. After 1 month, he was giving short speeches. It's possible for anyone.
Yes, that's the message we want to give today. It's okay if you feel shy or nervous, but don't let it stop you forever. Take the first step, then the second, and keep walking.
Today's English learners are lucky. There are so many free resources, apps, websites, online classes, even YouTube channels like this one. Use them, practice every day. Don't wait to be perfect.
Confidence comes from action, not waiting. If you avoid speaking in public, ask yourself, what am I really afraid of? Is that fear helping me or hurting me?
That's a powerful question. Most of the time, we are afraid of something that may never happen. Instead of worrying, focus on building your skills. Step by step, you will get better.
And remember, nobody was born speaking English. Everyone learns it. And if millions of people can do it, so can you.
That's right. Don't compare your English to others. Compare it to your past self. Are you improving? That's what matters.
So, what have we learned today? We've learned that many people avoid speaking English in public because of fear, lack of confidence, or fear of making mistakes.
But we also learned that there are many ways to overcome that fear. Practice daily, speak small sentences, use mirror and recording techniques, and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Start small, stay consistent, and never give up.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.